Hey Excel users, ever typed a phone number like 0124489 or an employee ID like 001234 and Excel instantly deletes those zeros? Yeah, super annoying. Those missing zeros can mess up your data, reports, and even databases. But don't worry, in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you simple and fast ways to keep leading zeros in Excel. We'll cover quick fixes, proper formatting, and a powerful trick most people don't know. Let's fix this once and for all. Why it happens, simplified. So why does this happen? Excel automatically treats your input as numbers, and numbers don't start with zeros. But here's the problem. Things like phone numbers, employee IDs, zip codes, these are not numbers for calculation. They're actually text. So we just need to tell Excel, hey, don't treat this as a number. Method moment, apostrophe trick. First method, the fastest one. Just add an apostrophe before your number, like this, 0123456789. Press enter, and boom, your leading zero stays. You won't see the apostrophe in the cell, but Excel now treats it as text. You might see a small green triangle. That's just a warning. You can safely ignore it. This is perfect for quick fixes. Method 2, format as text, more authority tone. For larger data, like full columns, this is the best method. Select your column, right-click, Format Cells, go to Number tab, choose Text, click OK. Now, when you enter or paste numbers, Excel will never remove leading zeros. This is the best option for long-term data entry. Method 3, custom format more clarity. Now, here's a powerful method, especially for fixed-length IDs. Go to Format Cells again, select Custom. In the type box, enter zeros based on your required length. For example, 000000 for phone number 0000 for employee IDs. Click OK, and Excel will automatically show leading zeros. Important, this only changes how data looks. The value is still numeric. Bonus tips, more value added. Bonus tip, if your zeros are already gone, use this formula, equals text A2 000. This will restore leading zeros instantly. Also, when importing CSV files, always set the column format to text first. That way Excel won't remove anything. And that's it. No more disappearing zeros. Your Excel sheets will now look clean, accurate, and professional. Which method did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Excel tips, and share it with someone who struggles with Excel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.